take the book and give it to Acharya. Other person can read the name. Let two person be there. Take the book, read the name, give to Acharya. One person can take the book from the altar. Other person can read the name, give it to Acharya. Acharya will give the book.
Please come quickly so that we can.
आप शुरू कर दीजिए महाराज मैं देता हूँ आपको बता देना टाइम हो गया ना राजेश पड़ी पाओ स्वामी दे रहे पड़ी पाओ स्वामी टाइम आ जाना take some Swamiji let Swamiji sit ಇಲ್ಲ Swamiji time ಆಯ್ತು Swamiji you are going to give the books to all no yeah come on read them and take the book they want to give all the names let's come in line
Please follow the other name.
yeah take the book and read the names ಯಾರು ರಾಜೇಶ್
கொடுங்க அங்கே ராஜேஷா
ಅಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅವರಿಂದ ಅದೇ ಪೂಜೆ ಮುಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೀನಿ
ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾಠಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಂಭ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಇವರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೆಲಸ என்னது
அது யார் என் சொல்லிட்டா
பிரசாதம் எடுத்துக்கலாமா?
தெரியாது அது இன்சார்ஜ் யாரு
இன்சார்ஜ் நாங்கள் தான்.
அப்போ எடுத்துங்க போங்க
இன்சார்ஜ் எங்கே இருக்கு?
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ नमो भगवते वैवस्वताय मृत्यवे ब्रह्मविद्याचार्याय नचिकेतसे च We'll read from 14th mantra of the second valli. Anyatra dharmadanyatra dharmat Anyatratsmat kruta krutat Anyatra bhutacha bhavyacha Yattat pashyasi tadvada सर्वे वेदा यत्पदमामनन्ति तपांसि सर्वाणि च यद्वदन्ति यदिच्छन्तो ब्रह्मचर्यं चरन्ति तत्ते पदं संग्रहेण ब्रवीमि ओमित्येतत् एतद्ध्येवाक्षरं ब्रह्म एतद्ध्येवाक्षरं परम् एतद्ध्येवाक्षरं ज्ञात्वा यो यदिच्छति तस्य तत् एतदालम्बनं श्रेष्ठम् एतदालम्बनं परम् एतदालम्बनं ज्ञात्वा ब्रह्मलोके महीयते. Up to this we have seen. Now we'll see the Sangati Bhashyam to the next mantra. Anyatra dharmat ityadina पृष्टस्य आत्मनः अशेषविशेषरहितस्य आलम्बनत्वेन प्रतीकत्वेन च ओङ्कारः निर्दिष्टः अपरस्य च ब्रह्मणः मन्दमध्यमप्रतिपत्रून् प्रति अथ इदानीं तस्य ओंकारालम्बनस्य काराल आत्मनः साक्षात् स्वरूप निर्दिधारिषया idam uchyate. So in this Sangati, Bhashyakara says, Omkara has been already talked about as the alambana, the support and the symbol of that Atma which is free from all attributes and which was asked by Nachiketa. And also this Omkara is the alambana and pratika for Apara Brahma, which was talked about for the people who are slow learner and medium learner. And now, to ascertain the nature of that Atma, which can be indicated by Omkara, the following mantra is given. न जायते म्रियते वा विपश्चित् नायं कुतश्चिन्न बभूव कश्चित् अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. So in this mantra it is said, this Atma is Vipashchit, that which is illumining everything, enlivening everything is called Vipashchit. And this Atma which is consciousness, na jayate, is not born, na mriyate va, nor it dies, and kutashchit na babhuva, it is not born of something, means it is not the effect. Na babhuva kaschit, nothing is born of it. It is neither the karanam nor it is karyam. And therefore it is ajaha, unborn, nityaha, timeless, shashvataha, free from the modification of declination, decay. And ayam puranaha, this Atma is ancient, purapinava, it is free from the modification of Vriddhi. And hanyamane sharire, when the body is killed, this Atma is not killed. More details we'll see in the next class. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now we'll start Bhagavad Gita. I can give me the big one. Okay, this also. Not third chapter. This, in that big one, big one. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayiniim Ambattvāmanusandadhāmi Bhagavad Gīte Bhavadveshiniim Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Stunvanti Divyaistavaihi Vedai Sangapadakramopaniषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः. देवाय तस्मै नमः. ॐ नारायणः परो व्यक्तात् अण्डमव्यक्तसम्भवम् अण्डस्यान्तस्त्वमे लोकाः सप्तद्वीपा च मेदिनी. We'll read from 55th verse of the second chapter. अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः श्रीभगवानुवाच प्रजहाति यदा कामान् सर्वान् पार्थमनोगतान् आत्मन्येवात्मना तुष्टः स्थितप्रज्ञस्तदोच्यते दुःखेष्वनुद्विग्नमनाः सुखेषु विगतस्पृहः वीतरागभयक्रोधः स्थितधीर्मुनिरुच्यते यः सर्वत्रानभिस्नेहः तत्तत्प्राप्य शुभाशुभम् नाभिनन्दति न द्वेष्टि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता यदा संहरते चायं कूर्मोऽङ्गानीव सर्वशः इन्द्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेभ्यः तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता विषया विनिवर्तन्ते निराहारस्य देहिनः रसवर्जं रसोऽप्यस्य परं दृष्ट्वा निवर्तते यततो ह्यपि कौन्तेय पुरुषस्य विपश्चितः इन्द्रियाणि प्रमाथीनि हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः तानि सर्वाणि संयम्य युक्त आसीत मत्परः वशे हि यस्येन्द्रियाणि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः सङ्गस्तेषूपजायते सङ्गात् सञ्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशः बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति रागद्वेषवियुक्तैस्तु विषयानिन्द्रियैश्चरन् आत्मवश्यैर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादमधिगच्छति प्रसादे सर्वदुःखानां हानिरस्योपजायते प्रसन्नचेतसो ह्याशु बुद्धिः पर्यवतिष्ठते नास्ति बुद्धिरयुक्तस्य न चायुक्तस्य भावना न चाभावयतः शान्तिः अशान्तस्य कुतः सुखम् इन्द्रियाणां हि चरताम् यन्मनोनुविधीयते तदस्य हरति प्रज्ञां वायुर्नावमिवाम्भसि तस्माद्यस्य महाबाहो निगृहीतानि सर्वशः इन्द्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेभ्यः तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता या निशा सर्वभूतानां तस्यां जागर्ति संयमी यस्यां जाग्रति भूतानि सा निशा पश्यतो मुनेः. So in the 69th month shloka, the vision of a wise person is given in contrast with the idea of an ignorant person. Yeah, that absolute reality which is nisha, like darkness for all ignorant people, tasyam, with reference to that absolute reality, sanyami, a wise person, jagarti, is fully awake. And yasyam jagrati bhutani, the duality with regard to which all ignorant people are awake, like they are awake in dream, sa, that duality is nisha, darkness, the product of ignorance, and therefore of the nature of ignorance. For munehe, for a sage, pashyataha, who is seeing this reality. So Bhashyakara has explained this, and afterwards he is deriving the corollary from this shloka to dismiss jnana karma samuchaya for a wise person. Those details we'll see in the next shloka, next class. Now we'll see Brahma Sutra. I will chant the sutras, you can repeat. ओंकारश्चाथ शब्दश्च द्वावेतौ ब्रह्मणः पुरा कंठं भित्वा विनिर्यातौ तस्मान्माङ्गलिकावुभौ तस्मान्माङ्गलिकावुभाविति ॐ अथ ॐ अथ ॐ अथ. I will chant the sutra, you can repeat. अथातो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा जन्माद्यस्य यतः शास्त्रयोनित्वात् तत्तु समन्वयात्. So these four sutras are called Chatussutri, a group of four sutras. And generally, where there is no time for the entire Brahma Sutra, which consists of 555 sutras, these four sutras are studied. And in the first sutras, it is said, Atha, Ataha, Brahma Jignasa. Here we have to supply the word Kartavya, Brahma Jignasa Kartavya. Literally, it means the desire for knowing Brahman should be done. But desire cannot be prescribed, and therefore final meaning would be Brahma Vicharaha Kartavya. The analysis or inquiry into the nature of Brahman should be done. When should it be done? Atha. Atha means after attaining sadhana chatushtaya sampatti. Sadhana chatushtaya prapti anantaram. Brahma vicharaha kartavya. Brahma vichara should be done. And why should it be done? Ataha. Therefore. Therefore means since Shruti herself is talking about the limitations of karma and presenting the jnanam as the means for moksha, therefore Brahma vicharaha kartavya. Brahma jnanartham Brahma vicharaha kartavyaha. The inquiry into the nature of Brahman should be done for the Brahma jnanam, which is the means for moksha. Then what is the lakshanam of that Brahma? जन्मादि अस्य यतः यतः सर्वज्ञात् सर्वशक्तेः अस्य जगतः जन्मादि भवति तद ब्रह्मा. So what is that Brahman? Brahman is that from which Janmadi, birth, sustenance and dissolution, asya of this world takes place. That Sarvagna, Sarvashakti, Karanam is Brahma. So Brahman is presented as Jagat Karanam, which is Satchidananda Swarupa. So Satchidananda Swarupa, which is Jagat Karanam, is Brahma. That is the essence of the second sutra. And how do you say this Brahman is Sarvagna to become the Karanam? Shastra Yoritvat. Shastrasya Sarvagna Kalpasya Shastrasya Yonitvat Karanatvat. Since this Brahman is the very cause for the manifestation of Shastra, which itself is equivalent to Sarvagna, and therefore Brahman is Sarvagna. Or can we know this Brahman by Yukti? No. This Brahman cannot be known simply by Yukti. Why? Shastra Yoritvat. Shastram Yonihi Pramanam Yasya. Brahman is that for which Shastram alone is Pramanam, and therefore it cannot be known by any other means. So Shastra Pramanakatvat Brahma Anyehi Pramanehi Gnatum na Shakyate. By other means it cannot be known because Shastra alone is Pramanam. How do you say that Shastram is Pramanam for Brahman? Tattu Samanvayat. Tat Brahma is the matter of convergence of all Shruti Vakya. Tad Brahma Shastra Pramanakam. Sarvesham Vedanta Vakyanam Tatreva Samanvayat. So that Brahman is Shastra Pramanakam, to be understood by Shastra, because all the Vedanta Vakyas have got Samanvaya, convergence in Brahman alone. Therefore, Brahman is Shastra Pramanakam. Brahman is the Tatparya Vishaya of all Veda Vakyas. These four ideas are given in Chatussutri, which we'll be studying for about 40 days or something. Okay, this I told you in 5 minutes. We'll tell it's study. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari.
Vedanta class will be 9 to 10.
Ha, eh?